I'm Miss Sayer. I'm one of the cosmetology teachers. Cosmetology is state regulated by the State Board of Cosmetology along with the State Department of Education. It's a mandatory 3-year course. You have to put in 1,250 hours. Upon completion of your hours, you get to take your state board, which you do on a computer. It's just questions. And once you pass your test, you get your license, and it gets renewed every 2 years. There are fees involved with cosmetology, and along with those fees, you get your kit. You get this nice carrying bag that has a telescoping handle for you to take it. It's on wheels. You get a professional blow dryer. You get a curling iron. You get a flat iron. We get a mannequin. You get rollers. You get hair coloring equipment, manicuring equipment, razors, shears. You get your textbook. We get all different types of brushes, combs, clips, pin curl clips, roller clips, different types of shampoo capes, and lastly, safety glasses. In the classroom, we have different types of shampoo bowls. We have your basic normal shampoo bowls. We have your European shampoo bowls that you stand behind with the customer. And of course, we have a pedicure unit. Students get their own styling station to work at, and of course we have some mannequins here on display. If you join me on my Zoom later today, I can show you individually the different work that the students can do. We also have your normal basic hair dryers here and manicure tables. We also learn how to do facials. We have some electrical equipment, and we learn how to do waxing all types of the body.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Adams. I'm one of the 2 cosmetology instructors here at RMCTC. If you were like me, you probably cut off your doll's hair and maybe even waited for your father to fall asleep on the sofa and roll rollers in his hair. I've always dreamed about being in the cosmetology industry. And now Miss Sayer and I are here to help you reach your dream of working in the industry. Cosmetology is in the process of many changes, and I can't wait to tell you about the program. Please join us on our Zoom link to learn more. See you soon.